Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Monica, and I'm again back with a new video where I will be describing, today is not mnemonics, okay, but I will be describing how can you simplify or how can you simplify the glycolysis pathway. So when we come to the exam, all we get so much of confusion. So today with a very simple rule, that is 2 2 1, you will be able to do you will be able to write down the glycolysis pathway, and you will really feel the pathway easier, much more easier than what you have felt earlier. So now tie your seatbelt and let's get started. Okay, so just look carefully whatever I do. Please do not skip the video because you might miss the important point or hint. So first thing is, just now write down all the like the outline of the reaction. Okay, so now on the steps of the reaction first. So let me write here like glucose 6 phosphate, fructose 6 phosphate, fructose 1,6 biphosphate, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate plus GHAP 1,3 biphosphoglyrate 3 phosphoglycerate 2 phosphoglycerate phenol pyruvate and lactate. Sorry for my handwriting, just I want to make you understand, so I'm doing really fast because if I start making handwriting the video will go really long. So this is now the outline of the pathway. Now these are the steps. Okay, now the follow rule 2 2 1. Okay, so 2 2 1 means there are these soft phosphorylation, or where you need ATP and ADS. Actually the most important part, whenever teacher will give you the marks while writing this pathway, is not about the enzymes but about the this ATP and ADPH and other factors that you write, that you have mentioned or not, that they will check that one, because that is the necessary thing, that's the out product, what we are getting, whether we are getting ATP, whether we are getting NADPH, or what we are getting and what we are using, what sort of energy we are using, that is a necessary thing. So 2, so means first of all 2, okay, the last 2 has got this some kind of energy releasing or some kind of energy consumption is there, so we just give this so now what we are going to do is that, so 2, okay, again 2 means after that you have this, no, in the next 2 step you have nothing, so next 2 step there is nothing. Okay, then after that 2 step is gone, in next 3 step there is again something, this reaction like this. Okay, so 2 2 2, so it's like you can even write it 2, so 2, then 2 2, then 1. That means that after this 2 you will leave step 1 and again there is, and you will leave step 1 and again there is another form of energy release. So see here, 2, then leave 2, again 2, after that we have left 1, then there is 1 1 and 1. Okay, so 2 2 and then 1 1, so it's just like 2 2 1. I just made it 2 2 1 because first you will do the very first 2 has got some kind of reaction, then you leave the 2 step, then again 2 has got some kind of reaction, then you leave 1 step, and then again you have some reaction, then you leave 1 step, and again you have some reaction. You can write 2 2 1 1 or whatever it is, but then the thing is this. Okay, this is the main gist. Now after this, there are few reactions which are reversible, there are few reactions which are irreversible. So to know about those reversible and irreversible steps, now again the same thing is same. So leave the first 2 step and go with the leave the last 2 step and again go 2 reactions. Okay, leave the 2 reactions there, if the 2 reactions here, and then the above two reactions are reversible. Okay, then leave one step. Okay, leave one step. Then again the two reactions are reversible. Okay, the two reactions are reversible. Then what I did is now leave this one step, and again the next one is reversible. So first of all you understood 2, then leave the 2, then again 2, then 1 and 1. Okay, the first one is very clear. You leave the 2, then you get the 2, and again you leave the leave the one step, and then you get the 2 1, and leave the 1 and 1 and 1. Okay, so it's a thing like that. Now you leave the 2, then you have you get the 2 reaction, you leave the 2, then you have the 2. So it's the same thing, but for the reversibility little bit different. It has a little bit difference. So the only thing you have to remember is first 2 reaction there is nothing, then there's 2 reaction, it is reversible. Then the second, that after that the one reaction is not irreversible, and the next 2 reaction are reversible. Then again there is one step leave, then there is one step. So this one has got like 2. Okay, then 1, then 2, then 1, then 2. So I'm sure that you might have got a little bit confusion over here. This step is a little bit confusing. So what you do is, once you copy down this reaction, then do the first step, that is about this energy releasing or whatever about NADPS and ATP. So you make that reaction on the side of a paper, then you make the reversibility irreversibility in the next side of the paper, then you will understand. So let me repeat for you once again, is that first कस्तो अनकोअपरेटिभ हो कि